Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on lines and systems of equations and applications. All right, so here what we're going to do is we're going to talk about what it means to be a system of equations. That means two lines that intersect at some number of points. The first question says, at what point do the two lines intersect? And that point is -2, 1. Whenever you write a point, you do it as an ordered pair with parentheses and a comma. All of that's very important. All right, so we know the answer. So now what we want to do is we're going to do the algebra behind the picture, because a lot of times with systems you don't actually have a picture. It says find the equation for line A. Well, our equation is y equals mx plus b, and the two things we need to figure out are the slope and the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the easiest. It's right here. Let's see, -1, -2, -3. The y-intercept is at 0, -3. And the slope, well, to get from here to here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We went down 4. We go +2. So the slope is -4/2, which I'll rewrite as -2 because we always reduce. And in this case, it reduces to an integer. So the equation for line A is y equals -2x minus 3. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to do the same thing for line B. Line B, once again, we start with y equals mx plus b. My y-intercept is at 1, 2, so 0, 2. The slope, well, to get from here to here, I go a +1 and I go a +2. So I have a slope of 1/2. So y equals 1/2 x plus 2. All right, now it says use these equations to calculate where the two lines intersect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the system of equations. My equations are y equals -2x minus 3 and y equals 1/2 x plus 2. These are my equations, and there's a lot of ways to solve a system of equations. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use substitution. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, when does this output equal this output? In other words, when is 1/2 x plus 2 equal to -2x minus 3? All right, so a lot of you, if you've watched my videos, know that I usually clear my fractions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides of my equations by 2. You have to do both sides to keep it balanced. 1/2 times 2 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. -2 times 2 is -4. And -3 times 2 is -6. Okay, now I'm going to add the 4x to both sides and subtract the 4. So here I have 1 plus 4, that's 5x. Those cancel. Those cancel, -10, and when I divide by -5, I get that x is equal to -2, which we knew. We already figured this out, but we're now doing the algebra behind it. So assuming we don't have the graph and we don't have the algebra behind it, what I do to figure out my second variable is I put the -2 into both equations. If I put it into the first equation, -2 times -2 minus 3 is 4 minus 3 equals 1, and I have this great answer, -2, 1. The problem is, if I did something wrong here and with a fraction, it's possible, I may have actually found this point, a point on the line, but is not actually the intersection point. And it is so easy to check your work. It is so easy to go through and just say, y equals 1/2 times -2 plus 2. Y equals -1 plus 2, which is 1. It checks out to be the same answer. And now I am very secure in my solution. And the beauty of systems is they are the easiest to check to make sure you have correct. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!